Christmas in the countryside. Last year, Sarah decided to spend Christmas in the countryside. She arrived on December 20th at a small cottage her family had rented for the holiday. The cottage was surrounded by snow-covered fields, and the air was fresh and crisp. It was very peaceful, far away from the busy city. On her first day, Sarah took a walk in the woods nearby. The trees were decorated with icicles, and the ground was covered in a soft blanket of snow. She saw some deer in the distance and smiled as they gently moved through the trees. Later, she returned to the cottage, where a warm fire was crackling in the fireplace. She sat by the fire and enjoyed a cup of hot chocolate. The next day, Sarah visited a nearby village. It had a small Christmas market with wooden stalls selling homemade gifts and decorations. Sarah bought a hand-carved wooden ornament and a jar of local honey. She also enjoyed a slice of homemade fruitcake at a little cafe. The villagers were friendly and greeted her with smiles as she explored the area. On Christmas Eve, Sarah helped her family decorate the cottage. They put up a Christmas tree and hung stockings by the fireplace. They also set up a table with candles and a beautiful dinner. After the meal, they sang Christmas carols together and shared stories of past Christmases. It was a lovely, intimate celebration. On Christmas Day, Sarah woke up early to find the ground covered with fresh snow. The family had a traditional Christmas breakfast with scrambled eggs, toast, and warm cinnamon rolls. Later, they opened presents around the tree. Sarah received a beautiful scarf and a handmade photo album filled with family memories. She felt happy and grateful for the quiet and warmth of the countryside. Their holiday ended on December 26th. Sarah left the cottage feeling relaxed and peaceful. She knew she would always treasure this special Christmas in the countryside.